A universe within, unraveling the human body's structure. The human body is a marvel of nature. It is intricate and complex. We are made up of trillions of parts. These parts work together with astonishing precision. This intricate organization is what allows us to function. Understanding this complexity is a journey into the very essence of life. Think of the human body like a vast, intricate machine. This machine is built from the smallest components to larger, interconnected systems. Each level of organization is crucial. Each level plays a specific role in keeping us alive. This hierarchical structure, from atoms to the whole organism, is what we will explore. This exploration reveals the beauty of human biology. Building blocks of life, atoms and molecules. At the very foundation of this structure are atoms. Atoms are the smallest units of matter. They are like tiny building blocks. These building blocks come together to form molecules. Molecules are more complex structures with unique properties. Imagine them as the words in the language of life. Take water, for example. Water is essential for life. It is a simple molecule. It consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. These atoms are bonded together. This unique arrangement gives water its life-sustaining properties. The cellular symphony, life's fundamental units. Moving up the organizational ladder, we encounter cells. Cells are the basic units of life. They are the smallest structures that can carry out all the processes of life. Consider them as tiny factories. Inside each cell, countless molecules work together. They perform specific functions. These functions include energy production and waste removal. Cells are incredibly diverse in their forms and functions. However, they all share the same basic principles of life. Section 4. Teamwork makes the dream work. Tissues and organs. When groups of similar cells come together, they form tissues. Tissues are like fabrics with specific properties. These properties depend on the types of cells present. For instance, muscle tissue is responsible for movement. Nervous tissue transmits signals throughout the body. Organs are formed when different tissues come together to perform a common function. The heart is a great example of an organ. It pumps blood throughout the body. The heart is made up of muscle tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue. These tissues work in perfect harmony. This harmony ensures the heart functions properly. Section 5. The human orchestra, organ systems, and the symphony of life. Organs do not work in isolation. They cooperate within organ systems. These systems carry out major life functions. The digestive system is one such example. It breaks down food, it absorbs nutrients, it removes waste. The human body is the sum total of all these organ systems working together. Like a well-rehearsed orchestra, each system plays a crucial role. This coordinated effort ensures our survival. The human body's structural organization is a testament to the power of complexity arising from simplicity. From the smallest atoms to the entire organism, every level is interconnected and interdependent. By understanding this intricate organization, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonder that is human life.